The best of home-built aircraft. Hello. Today we're going to know all about home-built aircraft, from testing, from the RUTAN to the Twilight Stole plane, and many. These are planes. These are aircraft, the best of our cars. You know, where is this? This is EAA. Probably because you probably saw one of these. There are many, many aircraft. But do you know what is home building? This is an example. This is a plane, but not really jet built. So they're building it. That's an example. I want to show you more examples here and everything in this video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the explanation and watch the plane. This is a Rams S-21 outbound plane, and you probably know when. This is a P-51 Mustang? No! It looks like a Merlin. Did you know that but join together, because the regular plane, literally people hated the sound of this plane. So they joined in with the Merlin. They got a Merlin engine, and it's so much beautiful now. And you see the plane is made of steel. No, that's an abandoned RVS. You know what is an RVS? An RVS is a camping truck? No, it's a type of aircraft. It's a type of a plane that looks like it's a plane, a regular plane. Like an example on this one. This is an RV6. This for racing. And this is an RV10. This is an Osprey plane? You probably know what this plane is, right? It's the Wraith. This is a RUTAN S, an experimental aircraft. You saw my video pass. You know what is this? This is unusual. This plane is really unusual. It's really weird. But I think it's nice. And I can't wait to see it for the night. But you may think, why does it have 2 wings? Oh, you know why. Like on this one, look. In this example, NAWQ, that's the pilot's name. And most pilots have, the owner of the plane has what they like, so they add it. Oh, look at this house. This house has most planes have. This is a RUTAN quickie plane. This is experimental quickie plane. Look. Do you know what is this model called? That's right. This is the RV9A. This is the RV9A. Look at this. This is RUTAN Long Easies. And bear these cozy MK in these planes. All these planes. Most people confuse it with planes or jets. But it's really a RUTAN. All RUTANs. RUTAN Long, yes, Beardies, and Cozy MX. All are experimental aircraft. You know why? Because it's used for experiments aircraft. This is You see that? Oh look, it doesn't have a tail. It just have a propeller in the back. That is so unusual on planes, but it's really true. It has been on many air shows. These guys, it has been on Oshkosh, the night. All these planes that I'm showing you are in exhibition. This is a Toyota T-18 planes. That's a Toyota T-18 plane. And it's red. And it looks like it's passing over the water or the sky and everything. Right, I'm sure. This is a Sweden SX300. This is the red plane. And it's awesome. Do you know what's this thing? Oh, this is called a rope. They said, oh, there's so much wind outside and I want to park my plane. They'll put all these ropes and chains so it cannot be crashed by the wind. You need to have your precautions for the wind. This the pilot seats. Tell you right now, this is an exhibition. Here's more planes. This is the same plane, just on exhibition. This is a Toyota T-18 plane. The difference is blue, but this has paint blue scheme. But the model doesn't change a bit. It's at the Homebuilt. Here, you probably know what this is. This here is Oshkosh. The EAA, Experimental Aircraft Association, have 1 million planes. Over more than 1 million planes. I know where I'm coming from. This has many planes, millions of planes. You choose. This is the skeleton of the plane. You know, probably. This is the plane without the steel. This is the up-on steel. Everything here, this plane, you see, it's a bound picture. And it's a plane without this fold and without anything. It doesn't have nothing, no paint, no nothing. That's the interior size of a plane. Cockpit. It looks kind of real. Wow, this is the RUTAN boomerang. It looks amazing because of the night. Believe it or not, made of sports. It was crafted. It's a craft plane. Thank you guys for watching this video. Support my channel by subscribe, like, share, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any video. Bye bye. The future's in your hands. Sky's the limit.